Hey everyone, welcome back to CMSTV Africa, where every story matters. Today, we are diving into something that could shake up the global financial landscape, BRICS Pay. So what exactly is BRICS Pay, and how could it impact the almighty US dollar? Let's break it down. First off, BRICS stands for Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. These nations are working on a new payment system called BRICS Pay. The goal? To create an alternative payment method independent of the US dollar and the SWIFT system. This initiative is largely driven by Russia, especially after the sanctions it faced post-Ukraine invasion. But it's not just Russia. Other BRICS nations are on board too. So, what's driving this push? Reducing reliance on the USD, diminishing US financial control, and reflecting a more multipolar international financial order. Imagine a world where trade between these nations happens in their own currencies, rather than the dollar. Big deal, right? Now where are they in terms of development? As of now, BRICS Pay is still in the feasibility study phase, so no concrete system exists yet. However, the proposed mechanisms are pretty interesting. They plan to leverage existing national payment systems like Russia's Mir, India's UPI, and China's WePay and Alipay. Think digital wallets, QR code payments, and direct links to local banks. There's even talk of using blockchain technology and digital currencies like e-yuan and e-rupee. But wait, it's not all smooth sailing. Internal BRICS challenges exist. India and China have their own SWIFT alternatives, CIPs and SFMs, and they're a bit hesitant about full commitment to a unified system. The BRICS alliance has expanded recently to include Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE. This expansion could further strengthen the bloc's economic and political influence. Imagine the potential impact on the USD and the US economy. We could see a weakening of USD dominance in global trade, reduced effectiveness of US sanctions, and a shift in global financial power dynamics. The US trade balance and financial markets could feel the tremors. What's the global reaction? Western institutions like the IMF are concerned, but for now, the USD and SWIFT remain dominant, processing trillions daily. Recent events highlight the urgency of this initiative. In October 2024, during the BRICS summit in Kazan, Russia, leaders like Brazil's Lula and China's Xi Jinping emphasized the need for alternative payment methods. Lula stressed economic independence and criticized existing Bretton Woods institutions. Xi Jinping urged reforming international financial architecture and expanding the new development bank, headquartered in Shanghai. Speaking of the new development bank, it aims to finance global South countries in their national currencies. Russia has already signed agreements with China and South Africa for credit lines in local currencies. So what's the takeaway? While the BRICS efforts are significant, experts like Edward Fishman and Tom Keating believe the immediate impact on the USD's dominance might be limited. The dollar's stability and liquidity are tough to beat. That's a wrap for today. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to CMSTV Africa. Thanks for watching, where every story matters.